How to use offline Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Google Maps offline so you can navigate even without an internet connection. Super useful when you're traveling or in areas with poor signal. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi because downloading maps can use a lot of data. Search for the area you want to download. For example, you could search for a city or a region. Once you've found it, tap on the name of the place. You'll see a menu pop up. Scroll through the options and look for the Download Offline Map button and tap it. Google Maps will show you the area that will be downloaded. You can adjust the area by pinching and zooming on the map. Once you're happy with the area, tap Download again. The map will start downloading. The time it takes will depend on the size of the area and your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can use the map offline. Just make sure your location services are turned on. To access your downloaded maps, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Offline Maps. Here you'll find the downloaded maps, and that's it. Now you know how to use Google Maps offline. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.